Today we have to see the types of chemical reaction textbook evaluation. First question, choose the correct answer. See here, H2 gas plus Cl2 gas gives 2 also element, gives 2 HCl, that is one compound. Element plus element gives one single compound, mean that is you know very well, that is combination reaction. So option is B. So option is B. Okay. Next, second question. Photolysis is a decomposition reaction caused by photo, means you know very well that is light. So it is caused by light. So C option. Second question, C option. Third question, you see a reaction between carbon and oxygen is represented by C plus O2 gives CO2 plus heat energy. Here carbon combines with oxygen to form a single compound. So it is combination reaction. Another one is it combust with oxygen. It is burning with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. So combustion reaction. Next, it is only one side reaction, that is irreversible reaction. It does not get back its original state. So it is irreversible reaction. So first one, the option is first one, sorry, fourth one and second one. Totally, that is first option, second option and fourth option. That is you know very well, that is D option. For third question, what is the option? D option. Okay. Next we go to next question. See here, fourth question. Fourth question you know very well, that is the chemical equation Na2SO4, that is one compound plus another compound exchange their ions. See this SO4 exchange with Cl2 to form BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. Here the arrow mark will be given as this like structure. So precipitation takes place. Represented which of the following types of reaction? What is the type takes place? Precipitation reaction. So the option is C is the correct option. So this reaction is precipitation reaction. Go to fifth question. Which of the following statement are correct about a chemical equilibrium? You know very well, it is a dynamic nature. The rate of forward and the backward reactions are equal. Irreversible reaction does not attain chemical equilibrium. The concentration of the reactant product may be not differ. So the fourth option is not correct. So remaining three options are correct. So the answer is A, that is 0.1 and 0.2 and 0.3 are correct answer for this question. Fifth question, option is A. Okay, next we go to sixth question. You see here, sixth question. A single displacement reaction is represented by single displacement reaction is, you know very well, that is one is more reactive. They say what are the two substances that is more reactive from the given following. Best pair you have to choose. So you see here from the reactivity series, the four options will be given: zinc, silver, copper and magnesium. Here the least reactive is silver. After that it will be copper. After that zinc. After that magnesium. So two pair more reactive, that is zinc and magnesium is more reactive. So the option is D, that is 1 and 4 is the more reactive metal here. So in a single displacement, which of the following pair is more reactive? That is zinc and magnesium. Okay. Next we go to seventh question. Which of the following is not? Listen here. Here they given not an element plus element gives compound type reaction. C plus O2, carbon also element, oxygen also element, it gives a single compound. Potassium also element, bromine also element. Here you see third option, you see carbon dioxide is not a element, it is a compound plus element. So which of the following is not a element plus element? So option C is the correct option. Fourth option also element plus element, iron plus oxygen gives iron oxide. So third option is the correct option. So seventh question option is C. Okay, next we go to 8th question. Which of the following represent the precipitation reaction? You know very well. Solid plus solid, not aqueous plus aqueous gives solid plus aqueous. That is the correct option for precipitation. So here you see A also solid, B also solid, C also solid and D also. So that is not a correct option. Second option you see A is solid, B is aqueous, and C and D are aqueous and liquid. So that also not a precipitation reaction. The product must be solid. One of the product must be solid, and the two option will be what are the substance, that is reactants, that will be aqueous solution. So see here, C option, A aqueous, B aqueous, and C is solid and D is aqueous. So C option is correct option. Remaining all the options are wrong option. So C option will be correct option. Okay, next you go to 9th question. See here the pH of the solution. They directly give the pH of the solution, that is 3. You know very well, pH plus POH is equal to 14. They given the value of pH. So you want POH value, that is 14 minus pH. You know very well, 14 minus 3 equal to 11. You must get in the format, that is 11. Concentration they asking, not POH. OH minus ion concentration. So OH minus ion you know very well. POH is equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration to the base 10. So minus ion concentration is 11. So that is POH is equal to 11. You put here minus log of OH minus ion to the base 10 equal to POH minus. Okay. Here you see the minus goes to that side. So log of OH base 10 is equal to minus POH. You remove the log, it comes as OH minus. Whenever you remove the log, the POH is go to 10 to the power of POH. 10 to the power of POH minus. Okay. What is the POH value? That is 11. So 10 to the power of minus 11. That is the answer. So mole per lit. So you see 1 into 10 power minus 11 mole is the answer. So here the option will be C. The option is C is the correct option. Okay, next we go to 10th question. See 10th question. Powder CaCO3 reacts more rapidly than the Felky CaCO3 because of large surface area. Because of what? Large surface area. So option A is correct. Next we go to Phillips. A reaction between an acid and base is called neutralization reaction. The one of the type of precipitation reaction. So first option is answer is neutralization. What is the answer? Neutralization. Neutralization. Neutralization reaction. Okay, this is first question Phillips. Second question Phillips, you see, when lithium metal is placed in a hydrochloric acid, dash gas is evolved. See that reaction. You know very well, lithium Li plus hydrochloric acid HCl. It replaces, see here, it replaces hydrogen. So it forms lithium chloride plus hydrogen gas, H2 gas. So in front of this one you put 2, here you put LiCl2 plus H2. So H2 gas will be liberated. So what is the gas liberated? Hydrogen. So second option you know very well, that is hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas for second Phillips. Okay, next we go to third Phillips. The equilibrium attained during the melting of ice is known as physical equilibrium. Third question answer is physical equilibrium. Physical equilibrium. Okay, next, the pH of a fruit juice is 5.6. This also you know very well. If you added salt lime, that is you know very well, that is base solution to this juice, the pH of the solution will be decreases or increases? Decreases. So if you added the lime juice, its pH value will be increases or neutralized. So the pH of the fruit juice is 5.6. If you added the base solution, that is salt lime, to this juice, its pH value will be increased. What is that? Increased. Okay, the value of ionic product of water at 25 degrees centigrade, you know very well that already I taught in the before videos itself. The value of ionic product of water at 25 degrees centigrade is equal to 1.00 into 10 power minus 14. You know very well, yes or no? Okay, next, the normal pH of a human blood is normal pH, that is 7.35 to 7.45. Normal pH of a human blood is 7.35 to 7.45. Okay, next we go to 7th choose. Electrolysis is type of dash reaction, decomposition reaction, that is known as decomposition reaction. The number of products formed in the synthesis, already I told what is meant by synthesis. Synthesis when only one product will be formed, so the number of products formed in the synthesis reaction is 1. Okay, here decomposition. Okay, next, chemical volcano is an, you know very well, that is decomposition reaction. What is that? Decomposition reaction. Okay, the ion formed by dissolution of H3 plus in water is called hydronium ion. What is that? Hydronium ion. Hydronium ion or acid. Or acid. 2 also you can write. Okay, next we go to match the following. See here, match. Identify the types of reaction. You know very well, 2 compounds. See here, here one compound, first reaction. Here one compound, here one compound. It exchanges. So it exchanges that is one base solution and one acid. So acid plus base gives salt plus water molecule. So this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So this is 1. Okay, next reaction you see, zinc plus copper sulfate. Here zinc is more reactive than copper, so it displaces the copper from copper sulfate solution. So this reaction is known as single displacement reaction. Next you see, only one compound, it decomposes to form 2 or more product is known as decomposition reaction. So this is third equation. Fourth you see, C2H4, that is ethane. It reacts with oxygen, that is it combusts with oxygen. Already in choose itself I told, no, it combusts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water molecule and heat energy. So it is combustion reaction. So the answer is 2413. Okay, next we go to that true or false. If false, correct the statement. Silver metal can displace hydrogen gas from nitric acid. Silver metal cannot replace hydrogen gas from the nitric acid because silver is less reactive than other metals, so it does not displace. So you have to change can into cannot. Okay, next you see the pH of your rainwater containing dissolved gases like SO3, CO2 and NO2 will be less than 7. Yes, true, it forms a acid rain. Okay, next question, it is true. Next, third question, at the equilibrium of a reversible reaction, the concentration of the reactant and the product will be equal. That also correct. Okay, next, the periodic removal of one of the product of a reversible reaction increases the yield. That also true. Okay, next, on dipping the pH paper in a solution, it turns into yellow. Then the solution is basic, that is false. Okay, this session will be over. Tomorrow we will see the answer in detail, short answer and hard questions in next video. Okay students, bye.